Now we're going to use this opportunity to test some of the skills that we've been covering so far, as with some exam questions. The first here is this question here, talking about built-in functions. So it says Sally is currently investigating possible bank accounts for her savings. Sally would like a program that will help her choose which account will pay the most interest on her savings. The table shows 3 requirements for the program. Identify a suitable built-in programming function that could be used to aid each requirement. So all you need to do is come up with a built-in function. So the amount of money to be saved needs to be entered. Okay, keyword entered. So again, take a moment, think about what built-in function you would use to take in something from the user. Yeah, so something needs to be entered. The next one here is only accept the first 2 digits entered for the interest rate. Okay, so only accept the first 2 digits. So how would we do that? What built-in function can accept the only first 2 digits and get rid of the other characters? Yeah, so maybe again think about that one. Then the third question, only allow a number between 1 and 20 to be entered into the interest rate. Again, what built-in function would allow us to only take in a number between a particular point? In this case, we've got a lower bound and an upper bound point. So again, I'd like you to pause this here, write down your own answers, and thereafterwards come back and check the answer. Okay, I'm assuming you've taken the time to pause that, and the correct answers are here. So let me just go to it. Sorry, I actually need to go back to which question that was. Question number 2. Okay, so question number 2. Here we are. So the first one is input, because we're taking an input from the user. We're asking them to enter something. The other one is truncation, because we're getting rid of other characters apart from the first 2. And then the range function will be used to determine the numbers between that 1 and 20. Okay, so you have to bear with me. I've got some other questions I'd like to ask you, but it'll take me some time to figure them out. So actually, here is another question, which I believe you'll be able to answer perfectly fine. So we've got here a question. Arnold has a number of bouncy castles that customers can hire for special events, such as birthday parties. He wants to create a website to advertise these bouncy castles and to take payments from customers. Section 1 of the information booklet provides details about the website and its requirements. So identify 2 inputs the website must accept from the user. Okay, so again, inputs we've covered already. So let's see. It's basically this sort of question is extracting information from the information booklet. So it's 1A. So if I go here, so it tells us Arnold wants a page with the title Bouncy Castle. That's fine. It's just he wants another page with the title Orders. Yep. The customers should then be able to choose the Bouncy Castle design that they want. The customer can choose a number of extras, such as safety mats, large outdoor speakers, and extras. And then the subtotal is calculated. So that's a calculation taking place. The total cost of the order is calculated. Again, that's another calculation, total cost. So the last 3 bullet points are processes, things that are happening. But perhaps we've got some information that's coming through here. Also, the website should be able to display a list of bouncy castles that are available on that date. So that suggests us something. It says the user should be able to enter their event date. A customer should be able to choose the bouncy castle design. So I think probably from that you should be able to start to see what the answer to this question is. Okay, so this is question number 1A. So again, I go to the mark scheme for this. They got the event date, the design, and they can also choose the extras. All right, so there's some answers there and how you can apply some of the skills that we've been learning so far.